Hello there, this might be the happiest I've ever been to film a review and the most requests I've ever received. Lisa Eldridge has treated us all and launched her own products for the first time. If you haven't come across her, Lisa is a much loved British makeup artist known for her work in magazines and on red carpets for the likes of Keira Knightley and Kate Winslet. She's been the director of several major makeup brands, she's an author, and on a personal note, she is quite simply the reason I love makeup. Lisa was one of the first experts to embrace YouTube as a platform to share tutorials and let us in on her magic. She has such a kind, gentle demeanour that makes makeup approachable and enjoyable, and she's all about enhancing your natural beauty, not changing it or covering it up. My entire approach to applying minimal makeup and many of my favourite products are all thanks to Lisa. And she has beautiful British short hair cats, so it's only appropriate that my exotic short hairs crash the set while I was filming this. Lisa Eldridge Makeup launched with these 3 lipsticks in November 2018. There was a set that came in a limited edition velvet makeup bag, but I was so eager to grab them before they sold out that I didn't even see that option. Whoops. Tucked away in these heavy magnetic closing tubes is a formula that is truly unique. Described as Plush True Velvet, you can see the bullet itself has a velvet look thanks to some clever production technology. A really interesting touch based on the fabric textures that inspired the collection. The first is Velvet Ribbon, a classic red described as neutral/blue because it is a true red but has a slight blue undertone. Vibrant and universally flattering. With this formula, Lisa has almost reinvented the red lip with a rich, creamy matte with a slight sheen, so it's not drying or too flat, just luxurious and long-wearing. A definitive red that ties an outfit together like a ribbon. Velvet Morning is an orange-toned red, perfect for summer. I love my red lipsticks, but this isn't normally a tone I wear, but there's something so fresh, fiery, and bright about this that I'm a complete convert, and I'll be reaching for Velvet Morning all summer. So pigmented that you really only need one swipe. Finally, Velvet Jazz. Oh, I love Lisa for this. This shade harks back to the 1930s vintage reds that Lisa collects and instantly became my new favourite rich, deep shade. This is exactly the kind of brick red I can't get enough of. Dark, wine-stained, and sultry. In true Lisa fashion, you can adapt these by amping them up or toning them down to suit your own style. They can turn into a more subtle stain, blotted on and blended with your finger or diluted with lip balm, or even applied on the cheeks. I'll leave a link below to one of my favourite creators, Michelle Wang, so you can see them in action as a cream blush. The lipsticks, unfortunately, but not unexpectedly, sold out incredibly quickly when they launched, but after so much demand, Lisa has mentioned that she's hoping to restock them and possibly introduce some new shades, so I'm keeping my fingers tightly crossed. Please let me know if you managed to get your hands on this incredible launch and what you think of the formula and shades. I really feel like thanking Lisa for everything she's done to inspire a love of makeup in so many of us. This is just the beginning for her brand, so here's to a fantastic new chapter with her products in our handbags. Thanks for watching. See you next time.